Shandong Yunyun Sanhe Machinery Company Limited is an accomplished manufacturer of ventilation equipment, heating equipment, as well as cooling and humidifying equipment. We have established a professional team of product research and development specialists and manufacturing and service technicians. Before we begin production, we produce several samples and repeatedly make the drawing designs because of our sincere commitment to provide customers with high-quality products with zero failure rate. Additionally, we also offer a free 2-year warranty. After years of development, Yunyan Sanha has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification and obtained numerous patents for invention and utility model. Now, our products have covered 68 countries and regions like India, Mexico, Portugal, Brazil, Canada, etc. Our vision for future development includes increasing production investment, introducing more intelligent production equipment, strict control of production quality, and striving to continually provide clients with more high-quality products. Yunyan Sanhe looks forward to developing business relationships with more and more customers worldwide. Thank you. The production process of Yunyan Sanhe adapts fine raw materials like galvanized steel sheets comprised of 275 grams zinc coating per square meter, which is directly customized by the supplier. The sheet is unrolled and leveled by a decoiler, then cut into flat sheets of different sizes based on production demands. Our factory is fully equipped with laser cutting machines. CNC shearing machines. CNC bending machines. CNC turret punch press. Large press machines. Pipe benders, and dozens of high-precision manufacturing equipment. We have also introduced an exhaust fan protective net welding machine. High-frequency induction welding machine. Injection molding machine. Automatic aluminum magnesium alloy die casting machine. CNC lathe and other production equipment. This realizes the independent production of all the accessories. In addition, we strictly control the error rate to within 0.03 millimeters for every process to ensure our product quality. Before the assembly process begins, our technicians will conduct a fan blade balancing test. And our assembly personnel will install the qualified components on the design position in strict accordance with the assembly standard. After assembly, our debugging group will conduct several tests on the equipment following design requirements, ensuring that each product produced by Union Sanhe and perform superior and reliable performance. To reduce the customer's purchasing costs, Union Sanhe has also established an evaporative cooling pad production plan. We can also supply the production technology and equipment for evaporative cooling pad, providing customers with a higher competitive edge in their respective region.